Hey y'all, welcome back to From Someone's Kitchen. Now listen, today we're doing something real simple, almost too simple. We're making homemade butter, and before you scroll and say, girl, it's just butter, stay right here because this is about more than butter. This is about knowing what you can make with your own two hands. This is about slowing down. This is about realizing you don't need a fancy kitchen or a fancy life to make something good. So, if you love simple food, real kitchens, and learning something new without feeling talked down, to go ahead and hit subscribe right now. This channel is for us. All right, let's get into it. Now, butter is one of those things we just buy automatically. We don't question it. We don't think about it. But butter used to be work. It was patience. It was arms getting tired. It was somebody's grandma saying, keep going. And as Black folks, we understand that idea of turning something basic into something valuable. All you need today is heavy cream, a little salt at the end. That's it. No preservatives. No mystery ingredients. Just trust. I poured my heavy cream into a bowl. You can do this with a mixer, a hand mixer, a jar if you're feeling strong and slightly angry. At first, it just looks like whipped cream. And this is where people mess up. They stop too early. Don't stop. Because growth always looks like nothing is happening until suddenly it is. So keep mixing. Now watch this. 1 minute it's fluffy. The next minute it breaks. That liquid separating out. That's buttermilk. And don't throw that away. That's gold. This part right here is a lesson. Sometimes things have to fall apart to become what they're supposed to be. That butter clumping together, that's the reward for not quitting too soon. Now, once the butter forms, we rinse it with cold water. This part matters. You're washing out the leftover buttermilk so your butter lasts longer and tastes clean. I gently press it, fold it, rinse it again. Slow, intentional. This is not a rush job. This is be present food. I add a little salt, not a lot, just enough to wake it up. Tasted it, adjust it. Cooking without tasting is just guessing, and we don't guess over here. That salt brings everything together. That's it. That's the whole recipe. And let me tell you this butter, on toast, on cornbread, melted over vegetables, folded into rice. You can taste the difference because you made it. It's richer, cleaner, honest, and every time you use it, you're going to think, dang, I really did that. Now listen, if this video made you feel calm, capable, or inspired to try something new, that's what From Someone's Kitchen is about. Not perfection, not fancy equipment, just real food made by real people in real kitchens. So if you haven't already, subscribe, like this video. Comment and tell me what you'd put this butter on first, because we're building community over here, not just recipes. And I'm glad you're in the kitchen with me.